So I'm going to take my chicken cutlet, I'm going to put it in my flour first. Okay. Get a nice flour base going on that. Put in my egg. Get the egg going. Okay. And then into my breadcrumbs. And I'm going to take it, and it's always away from you, right? And while that's cooking, I'm going to get the other one going. Again, I'm going to put it in my flour. And if you're doing a bunch of these, don't put a lot of flour at first or a lot of egg or whatever, because then I see it so many times, like it goes to waste. People like fill it up with flour and egg and breadcrumbs, and then they got so much left over, and you got to throw it away because you're putting raw chicken inside, right? Listen to that sizzle. You always want to hear that good sizzle.